Okay, related rates, problem 6. This is actually a really common one that shows up on the exam, so you want to consider this one as one to study. So, we have a 5-foot ladder leaning against a wall. Okay, well, if it's leaning against a wall, let's give these different, it's going to form a right triangle. Okay, and the ladder is going to be 5 feet long, and let's just give these directions at an x and a y value. Okay, so the equation that's going to be relate these rates is going to be the Pythagorean theorem. So we have that x squared plus y squared is going to equal 5 squared. That's going to be the equation that relates our rates. Okay. All right. Now it is slipping down the wall at 1 foot per minute. So what does that mean? That means that the y length is decreasing. Okay. So that means that dy dt is going to equal -1 foot per minute. Okay. All right. And how fast is the base of the ladder moving away from the wall when the top of the ladder is 4 feet from the ground? All right, so that gives us another quantity. That gives us that y is going to equal 4 feet. Okay. Well, that's the information that is given so far. Let's go ahead and differentiate both sides of this problem and see if we're missing any information. So, we're going to differentiate both sides of this problem. Okay. So, this would be 2x dx dt plus now 2y dy dt. And the right-hand side is just going to become 0 because 5 squared is a constant. Okay. All right, and so the question is, how fast is the base moving away from the wall? Okay. So the question really is, well, what is dx dt? Okay. So, all right, so algebraically, we're going to solve this equation. Let's move this portion over to the other side. You know what? I'll do it in 2 steps. All right. This is going to give us that 2x dx dt is going to equal -2y dy dt. Okay. We can divide by 2, cancel that out. We're really looking for just dx dt, so let's divide both sides by 2x. So, all right, so from the beginning of the problem, we were given, okay, so we're given dy dt and we're given y. The main thing that we're missing in this problem is that x right there, okay? So we're gonna have to solve for that x. So x is going to be the square root now of 5 squared minus 4 squared. All right, so that's 25 minus 16, which is 9. The square root of 9 is going to be 3. Okay? So, dx dt is going to equal, now this is going to be a -4 divided by 3, and then multiplied by -1. So it's going to be 4/3, and our quantities were foot per minute, so 4/3 foot per minute. Okay? And that right there is the answer to our problem.